Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is my favorite animal. Let's start.
Listen and watch. Here we are.
Hooray! Let's look at the elephants.
Okay, I like elephants. Look, it's got a baby.
Look, Kim, there are 2 lions.
Wow, I like lions.
Look up there. There are 3 monkeys in the tree.
I like monkeys.
Look at that snake. I don't like snakes and I don't like spiders.
Shh. I think the snake is sleeping.
I like birds.
They're beautiful.
Let's do the exercise.
Listen and choose.
Number 1.
Here we are.
Hooray! Let's look at the elephants.
Okay, I like elephants. Look, it's got a baby.
Kim says, I like elephants. Yes or no? Yes. Well done. Number 2.
Look, Kim, there are 2 lions.
Wow, I like lions.
Pat says, I don't like lions. Yes or no? Yes? No, this is not correct. Pat says, I like lions. Number 3.
Look up there. There are 3 monkeys in the tree.
I like monkeys.
Pat says, I like monkeys. Yes? Yes, that's true. Next one.
Look at that snake. I don't like snakes and I don't like spiders.
Shh. I think the snake is sleeping.
Alex says, I don't like snakes. Yes or no? Yes. And the last one.
I like birds.
They're beautiful.
Kim says, I don't like birds. Yes or no? No. Kim says she likes birds. Well done. Let's do another exercise.
Listen and choose.
Number 1.
I don't like elephants. I like lions.
I like elephants or lions? Lions, well done. Number 2.
I don't like monkeys. I like snakes.
I don't like monkeys or snakes? Snakes? No, she says she doesn't like monkeys. Number 3.
I like birds. I don't like spiders.
I like birds or spiders? Birds. Well done. And the last one.
I like lions. I don't like snakes.
I don't like snakes or elephants? Snakes. Good job. Let's continue. One more exercise.
Complete.
Number 1. First, let's look at the picture. Do you think the boy likes snakes? No. So let's choose. Like or don't like? Don't like. I don't like snakes. Well done. Number 2. Let's look at the picture. Do you think the boy likes monkeys? Yes. Don't like or like? Like. I like monkeys. Picture number 3. Do you think the boy likes birds? Yes, he likes. I like birds. And the last picture. Do you think the boy likes spiders? No. So what should we choose? Like or don't like? Don't like. I don't like spiders. Great. Now let's revise some grammar. When we talk about the things we like, we say I like. For example, I like monkeys, or I like birds. When we want to talk about the things we don't like, we say I don't like. For example, I don't like snakes, or I don't like spiders. Let's continue.
So many toys!
Yes, and it's your birthday. Choose one.
I like cats.
There isn't a cat. Look, it's a big cat. Do you like lions?
No, I don't.
Okay, what about this monkey? Do you like monkeys?
No, I don't.
Oh, look, an elephant. Do you like elephants?
Yes, I do, but it's very big.
I don't like snakes.
I like snakes.
Eh? Do you like snakes?
Yes, I do. I like snakes.
Let's do an exercise.
Listen and match.
First, let's look at the pictures. Picture number 1. Elephant. Picture number 2. Snake. Picture number 3. Monkey. And picture number 4. Lion. Now let's listen and match.
Do you like snakes?
No, I don't.
Do you like lions? Yes, I do.
What does she like? Snakes or lions? Lions. Well done. Number 2.
Do you like elephants? No, I don't. Do you like snakes? Yes, I do.
Does she like snakes or elephants? Snakes. Great. Next one.
Do you like monkeys? No, I don't. Do you like elephants? Yes, I do.
Does she like monkeys or elephants? Elephants, well done. And the last one.
Do you like lions? No, I don't. Do you like monkeys? Yes, I do.
She says she likes monkeys. Fantastic. Let's continue.
Listen and choose.
First, let's look at all the pictures. Elephant. Monkey. Lion. And snake. Now let's listen and choose. Number 1.
Do you like elephants? Yes, I do.
Do you like elephants? Yes, I do. Oh no, I don't. Yes, I do. Well done. Next one.
And monkeys? Do you like monkeys? No, I don't.
Do you like monkeys? Yes or no? No, I don't. Great. Next.
What about lions? Do you like lions? Yes, I do. They're beautiful.
Do you like lions? Yes or no? No? No, this is not correct. She says she likes lions. And the last one.
And do you like snakes? No, I don't.
Do you like snakes? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. No, I don't. Fantastic. And the last exercise for today.
Listen and say.
Do you like snakes?
Yes, I do. I like snakes.
Now it's your turn. Repeat. Next.
Do you like elephants?
Yes, I do.
Repeat. And the last one.
Do you like monkeys?
No, I don't.
Can you repeat? Great! This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.